Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 7th day of quarantine with skincare. I hope that you're enjoying this series. So in today's video, I'll talk about the gift box that I got from Forest Essentials, and this is the indulgence box from Forest Essentials which costed me rupees 2100. Basically, these gift boxes are a really good option to gift someone, but I got this for my personal reason that I wanted to try more products in affordable price, so that if I wanted to invest more in this brand, I could do it. I had thoroughly enjoyed the box, and most of the items I will be repurchasing it again in a full size. But before starting with all the details, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do click on the notification bell to get daily updates. Talking about the packaging, the outer packaging is like this. It has pink top and green bottom, turquoise green bottom with golden prints on it. It's a really cute as well as very fancy packaging, and I totally dig the color scheme it is going with. And at the back over here, it's written the MRP, the facial indulgence box. It is the product name, manufacturing as well as their expiry date, so that you can use within that period only. Most of the products can be used up till 2 years. However, one product, which is the facial scrub, can be used within 1 year. Talking about the products in size, there are 3 small tubs over here and 3 small bottles. Each bottle is of 50 ml, and the small tub over here, 2 of them are for 15 grams and one is the 4-gram one. First product that I have is this facial delicate cleanser, which has honey, lemon and rose water in it. It's such a cute packaging, and by the quantity that you can see, I have almost finished it up, and I also do have a backup of one more bottle of this. It's a very delicate, mild facial cleanser, and its fragrance is superb. It has that rose petals as well as lemony citrusy fragrance, which is really good. Eat quite a lot of product in order to cleanse your face, but it's totally Ayurvedic and it's absolutely good. Love this product 2 bits. The ingredients are also mentioned, where it has glycerin, rose flower, the kumut flower extract, as well as the lemon juice, the honey, royal jelly, bee pollen extract and vitamin E. The product I will talk about is facial scrub, hand pounded organic fruit. It's a very mild facial scrub, and the key ingredients is rose flower, date fermented food pulp, the sweet almond seed meal, apricot, walnut shell powder, honey, vitamin E, all kind of good products it has. You can see that almost the tub is finished. One thing I did not like about the scrub was that it easily dried up. It performed same as any other facial scrub, so I don't think so I'll be investing my money in this tub. The next step in this indulgence facial kit is a face toner, and I have this facial toner with pure rose water in it. It's an absolute love for me, and I have bought so many of these facial toners earlier also, but not in a bigger packaging. Always got the 50 ml one. So the key ingredients over here is that it's 100% natural steam distilled rose flower water, nothing else apart from rose water in it. What a great deal. I absolutely love this product. It's very soothing and calming, and the fragrance is really refreshing. Next product I will talk about is this facial cream, which has sandalwood and saffron in it. This tub also have 15 grams of products, basically a cold pressed oil, and once you will open it, you can see that I have finished up half of the tub. It's very lightweight and non-greasy. I have applied it quite a lot of time, and it does not feel that within 1 to 2 hours your face oils have started coming out. It's a really good product, but I'm not sure if I will be buying a bigger packaging of it, because the small tub can last for around 20 to 25 uses for me, because I use very little of cream moisturizer. I usually like the gel ones. So the next product I will talk about is this sunscreen lotion, which has aloe vera and sandalwood in it. It has cold pressed organic oil and also steam distilled rose water, sandalwood oil, fresh aloe vera extract, vitamin E, all the good products in this sunscreen. I have used only 1 to 2 times. Actually, I have not quite liked it a lot because though it's very lightweight and it's almost non-greasy, it felt like applying only moisturizer to your face. I don't know, I was not a big fan of this and I'm not sure if I will be buying it again. This will take up till 1 year for me to complete it. Last but not the least is again very loved product of mine, and it's the Forest Essential Lip Balm. It has sugared rose petal with organic beeswax, and in total it has only 4 grams of product, but in 4 grams you get a lot of product in it. You just need to swirl your fingers around and tap it onto your lips and you are good to go. It's so moisturizing, so nourishing, and it does not feel that within 1 to 2 hours the lip balm is over from your lips. It will stay put up till 4 to 6 hours, which is really good. It does not dehydrate the lips more. I have absolutely finished it up, just scraping out the product now, and of course I will be rebuying it again and again and again. Overall, I have loved this Forest Essentials Indulgence box, but I don't think so I will be buying it again because my first prior purpose to it has already been resolved, and 2 to 3 products which I've absolutely loved, I will be restocking up in a full size product. Yes, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned for more skincare videos this quarantine. This is Ayushi signing off. Bye. Mwah.